Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to BNB video update. Now a lot of people are wondering what is going on. The exchanges are kind of tumbling down. What is Binance made of? Okay, what is Binance made of? So let's do one thing, by the way. So let's go to CoinMarketCap, and you have a tab called exchanges right up here. So click on the exchanges, go to spot, and they have top cryptocurrency spot exchanges, CoinMarketCap ranks and scores exchanges based on traffic, liquidity, trading volume, and confidence in the legitimacy of trading volumes reported. So you can read more about that, and you can see the #1 exchange is Binance, and this has a confidence score of 9.9, higher than any other exchange out there. Not even Binance US has that much score. And then you have BitGet, which is at 5.8, Huobi, which is at 5.8. we have MEXC, which is a popular one, but it has a 5.6. Nothing comes close to Binance in terms of an exchange rate or a score, if you want to put it that way. So this score is huge, and you can see the trading volume in here. It's really a lot of trading volume. And then the second one is Coinbase Exchange. Some people are saying which out of these two is better, and I think both of them are actually good. Okay, I've been using Binance for actually 4 or 5 years now. I've never had any issues with Binance, and as a matter of fact, I think Binance is an amazing coin, but you just never know what happens in a market, of course. And they have 384 coins listed into them. They have way too many fiat support as well. If you look at their project, it's a solid project. I don't think this is like an FTX kind of project or anything. It's quite safe to me personally, but Binance itself could be good, but I think that the coin, which is BNB, is still looking to drop down. Okay, and the reason why it's looking to drop down is nothing more. I'm not into the news. I'm not reading the news or anything, but I'm just looking at the charts. So based on the charts, we do have this particular pattern that you broke out of. You can say that, hey, this is a double top right over there, which is a clear bearish pattern. And if I talk about this double top for BNB, you're looking for BNB to basically come down to this price target, which is actually going to be $112. So you're looking for BNB to really drop there. So let's say we do come down here. You're going to listen to the news out there saying Binance is this, Binance is that, it's going bankrupt, it's doing this, it's doing that. That's the exact same thing when I was talking about FTT as well on the weekly or maybe the monthly here. And FTT, is it FTD or FTX token, whatever this is right now, we had the monthly, I don't know, monthly double tops and whatnot. There was a pattern that I was talking about back at that time, and FTT did bad. Actually, let's do this and open up this coin on Binance. In my opinion, it's not even on Binance. I don't know, it's not showing up on Binance here. I'm just gonna check this one out. No, there's no data. So basically we had this bear flag right here on the monthly. Okay, so that was the bear flag on the monthly time frame, and then that bear flag was meant to take FTX from there to there, and we were looking for FTX to really drop down to $10, and this is what I was talking about. But then again, some other news came in, and then it just took everything down with storm, and we're still looking for FTT to drop down to 0.242, which is another technical target. That's going to take time. Now BNB, same goes for the BNB as well. You have that weekly pattern, and you have this bear flag, almost a bear flag, but it doesn't look like a very clear bear flag. But you do have this double top on the monthly right there. And the thing is that I've been looking at BNB. I've been looking at BNB ever since we even made this Corona dump to the downside. I've been a long-term seeker of BNB, if you want to put it that way, and I've been looking at the coin big time. I've been following the coin big time. When you broke out of this pattern right over here, you made this one shape right there, you broke out of it just like that, and then you pushed to the upside. You never back tested $32, and I still can expect, if we go for like the most dirtiest bear market out there, we could even see BNB tumble all the way down to $34.2 and maybe even $50 to speak the least. But that's how the nature of the bear market is going to be. Just like the nature of the bear market was up here when you were at $41 and then you dropped to $5.9. No one expected that, and then you went up, and then you come down like this, and then you maybe move up again. So that's pretty much it for this BNB update right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.